What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wealth Frequency with Justin Jack Bear. Talking about the internet computer protocol. I'm going to get a new catchphrase for 2026. All right, so if the Coinbase CEO, Armstrong, they want to be the biggest digital crypto bank in the world, they're going to start opening physical locations around the world because traditional banking system for retail investors and consumers is no longer needed. Hence why I moved everything off of my accounts. I'm actually putting some money into a credit union here because I love the community-based driven financial benefit of working with a credit union, so I'm okay with that. But it's the traditional banks, global banks, that are self-interest, perpetuating things in this world that I don't agree with. So every dollar you spend is a vote on what you believe in. Just remember that. Every dollar you spend is a vote for what you believe in. Doesn't matter if it's a sandwich, a car, a house, the world computer, Bitcoin. Every dollar you spend is a vote on what you believe in. That also goes for charity and helping people in need. And what you put out into the world comes back tenfold. So make it positive, make a good impact over the holiday season, especially people are struggling. Help out people in the community. Go to food banks and food drives and soup kitchens and donate your time. Go help some people because 2026 is shaping up to be something incredible. So back to Coinbase and the CEO talking about Coinbase being the world bank for digital crypto assets and all things crypto. And they're working directly with regulators to make this happen. The SEC is going to build rules and regulations for digital finance and digital finance settlement transaction systems and blockchains with these ambitions in mind. So we got the world computer, Switzerland influencing the new digital infra, AI, and infrastructure and inference rules and regulations. And as long as that's happening, along with the EU regulators and the US regulators, all this is going to come full circle. It's like Bobby O said, Cloud Nation, that ignoring infrastructure and technology is temporary. Doesn't matter how long it takes. We're rolling out beta in real time, the world computer, internet computer protocol. So now you have agencies and governments and projects contacting me to help them architecture, build a vision for what the backend integration systems would be like for persistent, always online, on-chain backend canisters and world computer integration. So it's all there. There's just not enough exposure. And there's not going to be enough developers, senior developers, in fact. So I appreciate all the senior developers that reached out to me. I'm going to be actively looking, trying to get these contracts secured for 2026. I haven't heard anything back yet, but the proof is there that all my research effort, dedication, development time, almost 10,000 hours of research and development and investment into real-world, decentralized cloud computing infrastructure has taken me to my next level as a passion project for the people, for the community. I love what Definity everybody's doing. I love the Bitcoin ideology, Michael Saylor, Jack Mullers. Once these guys learn about the world computer, they're going to understand that the entire future, the next 5 years, are going to dictate the data sovereignty, decentralized cloud, reduced energy and cost for computation in centralized data centers. Even though there's a data center being built every 2 days around the world, that's not going to stop as long as the demand for computation exists. But what's easier and cheaper to build is encrypted, decentralized GPU nodes all over the world, millions of them, at a fraction of the cost of a centralized data center, where consumers and people own their own data sovereignty, decentralized cloud compute for financial settlement transaction layers. But not only that, ICP World Computer can host images, videos, full websites, software, apps, games, all on chain, top to bottom, full stack, with the reliability of persistence, never down, always up, always on chain, encrypted with chain key cryptography that cannot be hacked, inside of canisters. It's a very niche market, but everybody's working on it, everybody's trying it. I believe the big legacy tech is piloting. I believe that all the work that Definity has done, that all the senior executives, that all the work Dominic Williams has done, attending all the global finance weeks and computer and blockchain summits, that we have the right exposure, the right leaders in place, that again, it's only a matter of time, and we're starting to see, and I hope we hit 1 million canisters here shortly. So I'm going to go to the dashboard and start recording some of that over the holidays. Just exploration of the internetcomputer.org, which is what you should do too. Go and read all the white papers, the 20-year roadmap, and understand that technology adoption and rollout scales slowly. It's infrastructure, it's boring, but it's real tech, it's real case use, it's rolling out in real time. You're not late, we're early still. There's organizations, groups, development firms that are moving to these types of integrations. There's so much noise out there. There's so many opportunities for people to try legacy tech tools and AI agents and all this incredible technology. But if you see through, read between the lines, see through all the hype, see through all the traditional repackaged and resold tools as the next buzzword or the next conversation topic, it's all just smoke and mirrors. There's no real innovation to internet infrastructure since the advent of cloud computing, which Amazon placed their bets and built over 20-25 years. So they built the demand for cloud computing. They built the infrastructure for it. They almost went under several times. So when you think about it in that sense, you got to remember, year for year, dollar for dollar, we're in the same position Ethereum was. If you look at Amazon stock over the years, you got to check out history. Everything has a lag. Everything has a delay. The market gets tested. Bitcoin is going crazy. The world is adopting Bitcoin as a digital finance reserve. And that's the moment, that's the pivotal moment that we needed, is for the world to accept Bitcoin as it is, for what it's intended for. And then now it all comes down to computation, the cost of computation, not the cost of energy, because that fluctuates, not the cost of premiums or prime rates for electricity around the world for these centralized data centers and computation and technology and devices and GPUs that the consumers will use. But we're taking on ownership. If you own ICP tokens, you own part of the infrastructure that belongs to the free world, that has tamper-proof technology, eliminating a 10 trillion a year cybercrime industry. Super exciting stuff. Love being a part of this. So grateful I put the money in. So grateful we got great leaders, great educators, great influencers, all the engineers, the PhDs, the cryptographers, the computer science, the Definity team, the Definity Foundation. Absolutely incredible. I'm so proud to be a part of this, to share this with the indigenous peoples of the world, with the First Nations in Canada and US and North America, because this is true data sovereignty. This is true decentralized cloud technology. This is ownership, permissionless. You give the permissions, you own your canister, you own your cloud compute, you own your data. And all it takes is everybody buying into it over the next 20 years. That's what we're looking at. So we're going to see some big moves here next year. We're seeing some big tech adoption. We're gaining a lot of traction. I've been doing these posts for, I think, a month, 35 days. Like, I've only started my channel 35 days ago. I can't even believe that. So thank you all for your subs. If you learn anything new here, please subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. I'm going to keep putting out useful content as best I can, talking about different narratives that are being rolled out from all of the tech summits and events worldwide. that I have been listening to, watching, researching, and reporting back to you the way I see it, the way that it's been told, the way the story's been told. So you think like people like Michael Saylor and Jack Mullers, these guys are out there, doing these events and summits, traveling globally and sharing the ideology about how Bitcoin Reserve is going to work, how it's going to reshape the planet. And then you got Coinbase wanting to be the largest crypto digital asset and security holder worldwide, working with regulators, SEC in the US and Europe and Switzerland, to create the rails, the rules, regulations for digital finance, settlement layers, blockchain. And then it just goes to prove that ICP as a token was, the appeal was approved, that it is a utility token, not a digital asset or security. It's pure computation, so it's not restricted by any type of financial regulator, regulations, or rails, but it in fact is it is fuel for the world computer, that it's used for computation, that it gets burned, and every ICP token on exchange is going to get burned up once these AI agents start rolling out on the world computer. And we're seeing integration and adoption and plug-in for all blockchains into the world computer. The team over in Egypt are just rocking and rolling over there with Memes protocol. Really, it's just starting now. The developers have been working tirelessly, endlessly for the last year, with over 400 events worldwide that Definitely put on, with hackathons and education and seminars with all the college and universities. They did what's called the Red Bull marketing and advertising. The Red Bull marketing and advertising was break into the college and university students from all over the world, give them the tools, the education to learn how to develop, how to understand, how to integrate, give them all the resources they need, and let them roll out the future. Get the youth rolling out the future of the internet and technology and digital finance worldwide. It's just incredible. So wishing you all a safe and happy holiday. Again, thanks for all the subs. I appreciate it. Until the next video, stay groovy.